Hello everyone, this is Larry Warden from Apple Products Made Easy. Today I'd like to show you a short video on some basic iPhone, iPad settings. This video is designed for beginners or those not familiar with the iPhone or iPad. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you. Today, I'd like to start talking about the settings on your iPhone or iPad. We're going to do a few of them today, and I'll have more videos on the remainder of them later in the week and next week. First off, I want you to tap on your settings icon, and we'll start investigating the different settings in here. First of all, on the first page, you see your Apple ID and iCloud. This is your iCloud account. At the top, of course, is your email, passwords, payments, subscriptions, etc. But I want to point out here, I did on a video a couple of weeks ago, I'll just tap on the iCloud icon. You can see I have a storage plan. I use much more than the 5 gigabytes, so I got a 200 gigabyte plan. I've used just over half of it. It's about 2 years, so that's not too bad. Now, you see all my apps at the bottom that are toggled with the green switch on. iCloud will store all the information from these apps that I got toggled on, and I won't lose any information. So that's a good thing to do, is toggle on the apps you want to have your information stored and backed up. Next, I want to look at airplane mode. The only thing we have to look at here is if you're go on an airplane, of course, you should toggle that on because you're not supposed to use your own data on an airplane to interfere with electronics. And then, of course, when you get off the plane, you can toggle it off again. For the Wi-Fi, you can see I have it toggled on. Any reason you don't want your Wi-Fi on, you would just toggle that switch to the left. When I'm in my home, like now, it automatically connects to my 5G network because I've logged in there many times. And if you go to any other Wi-Fi environment, if you've previously logged into, your Apple iPhone should automatically hook up because of the memory. Bluetooth, I have Bluetooth toggled on. You can see I have my Apple Watch is connected. And any other those Apple devices or devices with Bluetooth, I'll just tap on them if I want to connect my phone to them via Bluetooth. Pretty straightforward. My cellular data, I keep it toggled on, even though I'm in a Wi-Fi environment and in my home right now. Once I leave my home, of course, it automatically goes on my network to keep my data coming. And I also want to point out Personal Hotspot. I have a Apple iPad which doesn't have cellular data, so if I want to hook up to it, I would toggle it on, and it gives me a password. I can go to the iPad and hook up my iPad to my phone's data through the Personal Hotspot. So that's about all as far as I want to go today. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found the information useful. Please feel free to subscribe to my channel if you like it and like these videos. And I'll be publishing more in the next week or two on settings and other aspects of iPhone and iPad. Thank you very much for watching.